When we launched our first generation of agents last year, customers were super excited and immediately started using them to take manual work off their teams.
But we realized something important. To fully automate real procurement work end-to-end, agents couldn't just complete isolated tasks. They really need to behave more like great teammates.
Yeah, I saw that firsthand when I was working on Zip's procure-to-pay product. Even something that seems simple, like resolving an invoice exception, can actually be really complicated. You might need to check the PO, check the contract, follow up with the requester to clarify something, maybe even reach out to the vendor, and all of this takes up a lot of time for teams.
That pretty much sums up procurement. Judgment calls, handoffs, nuanced policies, and coordination across so many different stakeholders.
So when we started exploring the next generation of agents with customers, we needed to figure out how we can build agents that can handle all of that complexity, but still operate safely within the constraints of procurement.
Exactly. A lot of procurement details are super sensitive. You're dealing with real spend, supplier data, contracts, and approvals. It's not enough for an agent to be able to reason and take action. It has to take the right action with the right controls every time.
And that's what makes super agents really different. They can collaborate with teams in places like Slack and email. They come with the governance and controls that's needed for real procurement work. And they have Zip's industry best practices baked in, so you don't have to set things up from scratch.
Now, to bring this to life, let me show you how our procurement agent helps automate pricing negotiation. The agent starts by looking at the request, researching the vendor, and running price benchmarks. From there, it suggests potential negotiation levers based on the gathered context and your company's negotiation playbook. Now you can give input on what matters most, whether that's price, payment terms, or something else. And then the agent drafts and boom, sends a counter email to the vendor.
Behind the scenes, every action the agent takes is logged to the audit trail, and admins have full visibility into the session history. Admins can also control exactly what each agent is allowed to do, and any changes that you make to the agent's configuration are controlled and versioned.
Now, in addition to the procurement agent, we also launched 4 other agents like the contract agent that can review and redline contracts against your company's playbook, and an AP agent that can code invoices and resolve invoice exceptions.
And the important thing is that each of these agents isn't just suggesting next steps, they're actually doing the tactical work with the right permissions, controls, and human checkpoints built in. They go beyond just helping you understand the procurement work, and they actually get the work done.
And we're just getting started. We already have more agents in development, but we want to hear from you too. What's the manual work your team is still stuck doing? And what processes should an agent help with next?
So get in touch with the team, send us your ideas, and we'll keep building.